When you don't feel well, you want something warm and comforting. This chicken and rice soup will help you recuperate. You're going to need fresh carrots, fresh celery, and a fresh onion. You're going to need chicken broth. I've got thyme, garlic, rice, butter, parsley, chicken that I've already cooked and seasoned, rice, dill weed, and Better Than Bouillon. You might need that for a little extra seasoning. Everything's ready to go. So now we can assemble the soup. So I've got 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let that melt, and then I'm going to add carrots, celery, and onion. Cook those for a few minutes, and then we're going to add garlic. Okay, we're going to add our carrots, our celery, and the celery tops. Use those too. Chopped onion. So I did everything ahead of time so I would be prepared and it would go so much faster. Whenever you can do that, which I do it a lot, that's what I recommend. Okay, next ingredient is garlic. Now that's only going to need to cook for about 1 minute. Now remember, the recipe is going to be in the description box. So if you click on the title of the video, it'll open up. You'll see the description box, and that's where the recipe will be. All right, next I'm adding 6 cups of chicken broth. And we can add all our other ingredients. We've got dill and thyme. We've got rice, just using white rice. Got fresh parsley. Now if you don't have fresh, you can use the dried. Whenever possible, I try and use the fresh. Oh, it's starting to really smell good. Stir that around, and then we're going to add the chicken. Now, like I said before, I've already cooked it. I've seasoned it, I've cooked it, and I've shredded it. You can get a rotisserie chicken in the grocery store, or you can cook the chicken yourself, which is what I did. And that's all your ingredients. So when someone doesn't feel well, you don't want to spend all day in the kitchen. And I usually have pre-cooked chicken that I've already cooked on hand, usually frozen and ready to go. So I was able to make this recipe for Mark about a month ago when he was sick in bed, and he loved it. It's not quite soup season, but we're getting close. And if you don't feel well, that could be any time of the year. The soup has been simmering for about 20 minutes. So now we're going to taste it and see if it needs any salt at all, but it should probably need pepper. All right, Mark, you ready?
I am.
It is going to be hot. So be careful.
Yeah, it definitely needs some seasoning.
Okay.
It tastes a little light.
Okay.
So probably a little more better with bouillon, and definitely some pepper.
Okay, well, I haven't put any Better Than Bouillon in yet. This is the chicken flavor because I wanted to wait and see. Depends on the broth that you're using. If it has a lot of salt in it, you might not need this, but this is going to add good flavor if you do.
Is that enough?
Might not be. But I am going to add some pepper.
Let me help her with the pepper.
Okay, I think that's good. We can always add more.
Love the pepper.
Now, of course, the longer it simmers, I think, the better it's going to get. Okay, I'll get another spoon and test it. Oh yeah, okay. You want to try it?
No, I trust
Huh?
you.
Okay.
Let it simmer for more?
Yes. So we'll let it simmer for about another 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then we'll give it a real test. And now we wait. How's that look? Just got my finger. Oh, that looks good. Hi everybody, I didn't introduce myself at the beginning, so I'm Bridgetta and this is
Mark.
Mark. Yep. And this is chicken and rice soup.
Smells so good.
It does. Now, of course, you can adjust the amounts in the soup, you know, the ingredients to suit your needs. But, and of course, the longer it cooks, the better it's going to get.
Even better than the last time you made it.
Really? Wow.
Maybe
That's
a little
big.
more pepper.
Maybe a little more pepper. Never enough pepper. And of course, I love salt. But I like it was so easy. You know, I mean, cutting the vegetables, of course, but
Delicious. I'm sure it'll be even better when it sits for a day in the fridge and soaks it all up and we reheat it.
yes.
Thank you,
That's
Bridgetta.
great. You're welcome. You're feeling much better, right?
Oh yeah, I had
Yeah.
a summer cold here a couple weeks ago, and this is the good medicine.
Exactly. I'm glad you liked it, and I'm glad you're feeling better. Well, I hope you like and subscribe. Enjoyed this video. We sure enjoyed the soup. We're going to see you next time with more, another, let's start over again.
Please like and subscribe. What she said.
Yeah, please like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.